HPX.
Bum, bum, bum. Am I live? I think I'm live. Let's see. Yeah, I'm live now. Okay, live day trading. Alright, see what we got. Let's see what we got. Alright, CDIO, stock that's been recently in play a lot. High here at 8.5. Rush down here. We're still on the 1 minute, so we're going to take a chill, see what setups we have on the 5 minute. Now, if we go gapper by gapper, we have ONCS here. We're going to draw a little alert line. Let us know once we reach this level again. That should help us out. Okay. CDIO. All right. BRTX. Let's see what we got there. BRTX. Fumbled for now. Might come back up later. ONCS building up. Let's see what we got here. ONCS building up high here at 2.95. Do we have any news on the day? It doesn't look like we do. Today's March 2nd. Well, I know they had news like 2 days ago, so it's might be just some intraday action. CDIO, we're gonna add that here. CDIO. Okay. Strong fall down on CDIO.
HPXU.
We're gonna keep an eye on that. All right. ONCS here is looking very nice. Some of the guys trading HDX. See what's going on with that. Is it HDX? Why does it look very similar to ONCS? Or am I tweaking? No, I am not tweaking. That's weird. It's probably something that I can't trade here on Thinkorswim. Like I can't put cryptos in here, so it's probably something like that. All right. ONCIO, we get the high there at 2.95. I'm gonna start adding in with 75 shares. 2.95. There's our break. Where's our next profit target area gonna be at? Let's extend this to the left. What do we have? Any common? No common areas. Nothing. Maybe the 4 hour. Let's see what we got. Uh, 3.25. That could be a good one. Because we have the we have a double bounce on that line. Lion, that was a stock that was in play, I believe, some time ago. So it means it just got resumed. Only 4,000 shares in volume per minute. Too much range, too much volatility. Not a fan. Not a fan. So we're going to skip on that one. This is the type of stock that might even run up to like $20 a share, but with no volume, no liquidity. It's way too volatile. Like, wasn't it at $11 now, and now it's at $12.36? That's just insane. I'm not doing that. ONCS, we have a nice, okay, I like that setup. I'm a fan of that setup. I thought I had 75 here, but only 25 got filled. So I like the setup that we have this little flag coming down, strong bull move. If this can hold up, we can get that further move upward. If it comes down, then I'm flattening. Whoop, gonna flatten out there. For a small $10 loss, that's okay. That's okay. It's only a $10 loss. Nothing too crazy. Let's see how much buying power I have for the day to know what I need to do, how much I can be putting in these positions. Okay, we have a decent amount. See what we got. My eyes are bothering me right now. Let's see, TRKA. What's going on with TRKA? Oh, wow. Super. What's the float on this? $35 million. Okay, that's good. This is kind of. I've never seen this before. Stock that's 50 cents and has this much volume. And we just got a first move upward. Now we can get that 5-minute pullback. Okay, this I could roll with this. Since it's so cheap, we're gonna start adding with 125 shares size of position. The range is kind of small though. I'll keep an eye on it.
HPXU.
My eyes are kind of bothering me. Okay, strong move up here. 125. I want to wait on. I want one more 5-minute candle to pull up, and then push it up. That'd be much better, much stronger, and would convince me to buy it much more easier. Are we gonna get that move? I feel like we get that move over. Let's see a strong move up to. I don't even know how high you could go at this point. Oh, the resistance level is real here. I'm gonna draw a supply zone. Help me visualize things better. Alright. Well, CDIO completely flopped. Okay, I like that. BRTX, strong move on the upside. Is this gonna be sustainable? We're about to find out. Is this gonna be sustainable? All these stocks, by the way, are stocks in play from the Gapper scanner, so I have that all here on the side on my watch list. Okay. So we're gonna have some sort of resistance levels around here. Okay. Or never mind. Oh no, we are. Okay. Alright, so we need to hold that VWAP level, or at least more or less this area, for the momentum to keep moving upwards and get that previous high. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy a huge portion on this dip. Oh, I did not mean to buy 125 shares at that level. What level? 3.74. Oh, I thought I was... damn it, I should have... Every time I switch stocks, I have to adjust my position sizing.
HPX.
Well, I was trying to buy in 75 shares, but I added double, which is fun. But if we don't get that, but I was gonna buy the dip here, but if it keeps on dipping, then forget about it. Forget about it. To be fair, I don't trust BRTX. It already flopped. Okay, well, I bought 100 shares there. Alright, whatever. Oh, and CS. Why do you keep bumping up like this? What's going on with you? Set tighter breakout. Choose. Okay, it looks like it might actually be breaking it in those levels this time. Okay, we're gonna add on to his little high right here. Just 75 share position. Nothing crazy. Whoa. Instant rejection. Jesus Christ. Instant rejection, man. Today's more of those days where like this, there's just really no good setup. Everything's screwing up. I might just better wait just for tomorrow. TRKA is probably gonna be my last try unless I see something that I like. Never mind. Never mind. I feel like now we kind of have to wait. I mean, I'm not gonna rush it. I am just going to wait. For the setups to come. And that's my best bet. CDIO, I'll trust it once you get that move overview up. Right here. I'm gonna leave an alert there. Okay, this looks promising. To an extent. But very light volume. That worries me. Okay, this is good now. Now we have a strong move here in SI. Let's see how we could make this of use. Okay, I don't want to buy it right at this high. I want to wait for some sort of pullback. Okay, we get a little pullback here. Looking like we're gonna keep on breaching that high. It's tight stop, tight stop. Tight stop if we don't hold that 8 mark. Doubling down there. Doubling down there for those new levels. See how far we could go. Average is 8.14. How far can we go actually? I have no idea. Probably here. 8.5 would be a good mark to stop. See if we get that 8.5 sell level. I'll be happy with that. Oh, shoot. Hit 8.49. So close, off by 1 cent. The question is, what are the probabilities of it breaking this previous resistance line? I don't know. Chances are I'm thinking it might not break it. I don't know. This is also, I believe it's an incredibly shorted stock, so I don't know. I shouldn't even be involved with it in the first place. Short float is, well, it doesn't say here, but I believe it's like an incredible amount. Well, for the fucks of it, see if we get a little shift up to fill me up. No. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Well, it's only stock that's moving up, so we might as well hold. If I get break even, then I get break even. I mean, right? Fuck. If it's break even, then it's break even, right? We only have 150 shares, so I'm not worried. This will most likely. We don't have any stocks moving. This is the only one that's moving, so I'm gonna give it a chance. If we had better stocks out there, I look at those. I do know SI, I believe, is the most heavily shorted stock right now by short interest wise. I don't know. I think I had it here. I don't know why it's not here anymore. Let's see. What was it? Short float. Short float percentage. Okay. Oh wait, everything 70% of the float is shorted. Okay, but now everything else has appeared. I'll fix that later. I'll fix that later. It's looking like this is not gonna work out. What was my average? 8.1, 8.14. Gonna cut that loss there. See something real quick. Yeah, I most likely shouldn't have traded today in general. There's a $50 loss, nothing crazy, but I still shouldn't have traded because the stocks that we're getting today were just not good. And I knew that, but I still traded today, so that's something that I have to work on. I'm getting better at just cutting the losses and shit like that, but actually, how do you say? Actually deciding like to not trade is probably, even though like the setup is kind of there, kind of not. Is something that I have to perfect. So yeah, we're gonna call it a day. I have little buying power anyways. I'd rather save it for tomorrow for a better day. Thank you all for watching. But we're probably gonna call it for the day. We're gonna end today at, I believe, at a $50 loss. All right, Tavera Trading out.